Cleaning your GE Profile Smart Indoor Smoker. Allow the oven to cool completely and unplug the appliance prior to cleaning or servicing. Cleaning your smoker after each use will maintain longevity and proper performance. Clean the smoker exterior with a sponge or soft cloth and a solution of mild soap and water or vinegar and water. Rinse with clean water and dry with a soft cloth. Remove all accessories and racks from the smoke chamber. Wipe all interior surfaces of the smoker with a sponge or soft cloth and a solution of mild soap and water or vinegar and water. Over time, the pellet ramp can accumulate buildup that prevents waste pellets from properly falling into the waste bin. To clean the pellet ramp, locate the smoke inlet cover on the right-hand wall of the smoking chamber. Open the inlet gate by sliding it upward. Then use the included wire brush to scrub the pellet ramp, which is located just behind the pellet inlet cover. Clean the pellet ramp occasionally, or if ash is found inside the smoking chamber. It is recommended to clean the glass cover of the smoke chamber light after each use. Wipe the cover with a sponge or soft cloth and a solution of mild soap and water or vinegar and water. After each use, the wastewater and pellets in the waste bin should be disposed. Pull the waste bin carrier out completely from the front of the smoker. Then remove the waste bin from the carrier, taking care not to slosh the wastewater. Pour the wastewater through a strainer down the drain, taking care to separate any solid pellet waste. It is not recommended to use a garbage disposal to dispose of the waste pellets. The solid pellet waste may then be discarded in the trash. To clean the waste bin, simply wash the waste bin with a sponge or soft cloth and soapy water. For light soiling, the wire racks and rack supports may be washed using a sponge and warm soapy water. The wire racks and rack supports are also safe to be washed in an automatic dishwasher. The temperature probe may be cleaned with soap and water or a soap-filled scouring pad. Cool the temperature probe before cleaning. Then rinse and dry. For more helpful cleaning and care tips, please refer to the user manual.